I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Joshua Weissman's only way tacos. First, you'll want to sear a 2-pound chuck roast until it has a beautiful deep brown crust on all sides. This step is crucial for developing rich flavor. Next, braise the beef for 3 to 4 hours until it's fall-apart tender. Once cooked, shred the meat and set aside that amazing braising liquid. It's liquid gold for our tacos. Now let's talk about the foundation, the tortillas. Warm your corn tortillas on a hot griddle for about 30 seconds per side until they are soft and pliable. This makes them perfect for holding all our delicious fillings. Don't forget the salsa. A vibrant salsa roja made with roasted tomatoes, chilies, and garlic adds that essential kick. Balance is key, so ensure it has a nice hint of acidity. Time to bring it all together. Take each warm tortilla and give it a quick dip in that incredible reserved braising liquid. This step infuses every bite with even more savory depth. Then, generously fill each tortilla with your perfectly shredded beef. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, some finely diced white onion, and a bright squeeze of lime juice for that perfect fresh contrast. And there you have it, Joshua Weissman's only way tacos, ready to be devoured. Serve them immediately to enjoy the perfect combination of tender meat, soft tortillas, and vibrant toppings. For those who love a little extra kick, a dash of your favorite hot sauce can elevate the experience even further. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.